Mastering the modal verb need to. Hello, language learners. Welcome to today's lesson where we will be diving deep into the world of modal verbs, specifically focusing on expressing obligation using need to. This verb is crucial for communicating necessity in English, so let's get started. When we talk about obligation or necessity, we are referring to something that must be done. The phrase, need to, is a modal verb phrase used to express this in English. It's used to say that something is necessary or very important. Examples: I need to do my homework. She needs to go to the doctor. In both examples, the actions are seen as necessary or very important. The phrase, need to, is quite flexible and can be used in different tenses. Remember, it is followed by a verb in the base form, also known as the infinitive without to. Here's how you can use need to in different tenses. 1. Present tense, expresses a current obligation. 2. Example, you need to eat more fruits and vegetables. 3. Past tense, indicates a past obligation, often used when the obligation wasn't fulfilled. 4. Example, you needed to tell me that yesterday. 5. Future tense, describes a future obligation. 6. Example, we will need to buy more groceries for the party next week. You can also use need to in its negative form to express lack of necessity. There are two common ways to do this. 1. Don't need to. It is used when it's not necessary to do something, but it's okay if you want to. 2. Example, you don't need to rush. We have plenty of time. 3. Needn't. It's a more formal version, and it also expresses that something isn't necessary. 4. Example, you needn't worry about the details. I'll handle them. There you have it, folks. We've now mastered the modal verb phrase, need to, and its usage in expressing obligation or necessity in English. We've also learned how to make negative sentences with need to, and use it in different tenses. I hope this video has made the concept clear and easy for you. Keep practicing, keep learning, and remember, you need to use need to in your daily English conversations. See you in the next lesson.